Hi, I am Prince. I completed my study in computer science and engineering, and right now, as a software developer, if I talk about my skills, I have a good knowledge of a C++, Python, and C Sharp. Along with that, I gained an experience in machine learning, deep learning, and neural network. If I talking about my real life projects, I've majorly worked on two projects, that is currency detector and criminal identification projects. Both projects are based on deep learning. If I talk about my currency detector project, here I use YOLO V8 as my pre-trained model, and I created my own data set of Indian currencies along with the tracking in hand transactions. In these projects, basically my model tells that the how much money in your hand along with who is the sender and who is the receiver in life. Second, my projects, if I talk about criminal detection or identification, so in that project basically we will give the image, and in the output we will get the detail about the person, and along with that we get the link of the web page where we get detail of that person. So these are my two major projects, and the challenges I face in this projects basically is data creation, because data creation is very hard. We need to first collect the data from the multiple sites, and then after refining and pre-processing it. So this is my experience about these things. Thanks.